This is St. Albert. This is the Best Western St. Albert Inn. So just a standard 2-queen bedroom. You got your typical closet, ironing board, luggage rack, coat hangers, a recycle bin. And I'll go right into the bathroom. So typical hotel bathroom. No tub, just a shower. Get your hair dryer. I'm gonna go back into the room. So Keurig. Microwave. And a decent sized mini fridge. And a full length mirror. And like I said, 2 queen beds, pretty standard. Decent sized flat screen. Desk to do your work on if you need to. And this is the skyline of St. Albert, Alberta. And there's your overall room. Click like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much.